What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs, and I did a little bit of work on my front lip of my bumper today, so I got that for you, so check it out. I figure I'm gonna kind of start off in the middle here. It's gonna need quite a bit of shaping and stuff, and well, I had actually already hit something and broke it, and so I had to repair it. But anyways, we're going to start here in the middle. We're going to sand it down first a little bit. I think what I'll go ahead and do is, I'm going to go ahead and cut this part of the grill the rest of the way out here real quick. Okay, well, I'll have to finish smoothing that up later, but mostly I wanted to be able to get a sander in there, but it was also going to come out anyways, so figured I might as well just get rid of it now. Okay, mostly all I'm going to use is like my old sandpaper, the used sandpaper. It should be more than sufficient to do what I'm doing. Now that we've got this part smoothed out some, sanded down some, you actually kind of want to do this so that you don't use nearly as much body filler. Although, in the end, it's not really going to matter because you're still going to have high spots and low spots and stuff. But this will also clean your fiberglass. Whether it be matting or whatever it is, or fleece, your fiberglass fleece, and that'll actually help. Hold on, wasn't happy with that. Anyways, there's gonna be plenty of time for fixing stuff. So anyways, if you can see, this is like dipped. I don't know exactly what happened. Is probably whenever my frame might have failed a little bit or something, but the body filler will actually stiffen that up a little bit, but then once we get the other layer of fiberglass on here, it'll actually not only smooth it out again, but it'll actually add another layer and make it even more sturdy. But for right now, I'm gonna clean this off. So what I'll do is I'll get my red rag and some lacquer thinner and clean it up real good. While that's drying, I have not used the professional fast dry filler before, but this is going to be kind of a little preview of it, a little bit of see how it works and see if it does all it says it does. I'm sure it works just as good as regular Bondo. Okay, that'll be good enough for the first layer. So now we're gonna go by the instructions and give it 15 minutes, and we'll see if it is actually ready to sand in 15 minutes. Okay, so I've waited a little over 15 minutes. It's probably closer to 20 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit this with some 120 real quick. Okay, that's coming out much smoother already. Okay, throw together a quick little batch here. This time I made a little bit smaller batch because I don't think I'll need as much to fill in with. We're going to sand this down for this last coat, and then after that we'll see where we're at. Hopefully it'll be good. I'll still have to do the final coating and then sand it down as well, but should be good to go. Okay, so now actually what we're going to do is we're going to be focusing on this center part because it's still got a crazy swoop in it that I don't really like. I don't totally hate it, but I don't like it either. So, okay, so we want to kind of focus. You got to remember, you can't have this stuff on super duper thick because it will crack when it dries. So that's one of the reasons doing the build-up layer anyway in the middle, so. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a final wipe down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and primer it after it sits for a couple minutes. So once that part is dry. Anyways, as you can see, I got a little more progress done, and there is some more fine-tuning to do. There's a little bit more finishing work to do, and so this weekend I will probably be working on that. So anyhow, guys, gals, I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, get some notifications so you know when my videos are coming. And have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.